Hello guys! We're on our way to boarding our plane going back to Manila. So, nakasakay po kami sa bus. Pang third bus kami, a total of 4 buses. Mga more than an hour din delayed yung flight namin. So, kanina pa kami sa bus. Siguro mga almost 30 minutes. Nag-sightseeing lang ako ng mga plane na nag-take off kaya hindi ako na-board. So, ayan, natatanong ko na yung airplane na sasakyan namin going back to Manila. It's AirAsia. Nakaka-amaze makita na napakalaki ng airplane. And then, yung mga staff and crew is magaling naman and assist naman nila na maayos yung mga passenger. So, those are the people from the 2 buses. So, kami naman, moment na namin to go down and fall in line para makapag-board na sa plane. So, medyo mahaba ang line pero mabilis naman siya. Kasi i-check lang naman yung valid ID and boarding pass. So, yan is for recording noise. So, na-check na yung valid IDs namin and ang aming boarding pass. So, our plane is taking off. Medyo bumpy lang, pero short period lang naman yan. So, ayan, nasa likod na kami. And very smooth naman yung flight. Ang ganda ng view. So, I'm not sitting right beside the window, kaya tamang times ko lang ako ng camera ko para makita pa yung view sa window. Ang ganda ng sunset. So, smooth lang naman ang aming flight. Hindi na kami nag-choose ng seat kasi medyo pricey din siya. At ang importante naman is makaupo kami na maayos and smooth naman yung flight and safe kami. And we are landing at NAIA Terminal 2. So again, bumpy siya pero short period of time naman yan.
Dear guests, we have landed.
So the captain has announced that we have landed and yan na nga, ready na kami bumaba ng airplane. And walk na kami sa NAIA Terminal going to the parking where we park our car. So, bye, airport. Thanks God that we have arrived safe. So, ayan, nagkukulitan na kami mag-asawa dyan. Happy ha, tingnan nyo. Sasayaw pa siya, diba?
Loko, naka-video nga to. Ano ba?
Ayan, hyper lang. Masaya lang.
Saan tayo lalabas?
Sasayaw uli. Diba? So, yun lang guys. Nakita na namin yung exit. Bye. Thanks for watching.